Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Behind Food. If you are new to my channel, then this channel helps you understanding everything about food, how food product is made, produced, and the technology behind food, and how food product is packaged and reached to you. So in this video, we'll be discussing about chocolate. Three types of chocolates are there. First one is plain dark chocolate. It has cocoa powder, cocoa liquor, cocoa butter, sugar and lecithin. Next one is milk chocolate. It has sugar, milk powder, cocoa liquor, cocoa butter, lecithin and vanilla. Next is white chocolate. It has sugar, milk or milk powder, cocoa liquor, cocoa butter, lecithin and vanilla. And the fourth one is ruby chocolate. It is invented 5th September 2017 by Belgium company Calibot. This chocolate is made from ruby cocoa beans. It has sugar, cocoa butter, skimmed milk powder, whole milk powder, cocoa mass, emulsifier, soy lecithin, citric acid and natural vanilla flavoring. There are so many brands of chocolate in the market. Do you want to know how chocolate is made? Then stay tuned. The first step is the plucking and opening of the pods. Cocoa bean grow in pods that sprout off the trunk and branches of the trees. Worker must be harvest the pods by hand using hooked blades. Immature cocoa pods have variety of colors, but most often is green, red and purple. The color changes when the cocoa pods matures. When the cocoa pods are collected into the baskets, then cocoa pods are taken to the processing house. Here they are split open and cocoa beans are removed. Next step is the fermentation of the cocoa pods. They are either placed in large shallow heated trays or covered with large banana leaves. Workers come along periodically and stir them up so that all the beans come out equally fermented. During fermentation, beans turn brown. This process may take 5 to 8 days. The next step is the drying of cocoa beans. After fermentation, cocoa seed must be dried before they can be shipped to a chocolate manufacturer. The drying process usually takes about a week and results as seeds that are about half of their original weight. Now beans are ready for shipping. Now beans are reached to the chocolate manufacturers. The first step the chocolate manufacturer do with cocoa bean is roast them. This develops the color and the flavor of the bean. The outer shell of the bean is removed and the inner cocoa bean meat is broken into small pieces called cocoa nibs. Now grinding the cocoa nibs is done. Grinding is the process by which cocoa nibs are ground into cocoa liquor, which also known as unsweetened chocolate or cocoa mass. Now conching is done. Conching process involves heating and mixing of cocoa butter, sugar and any other flavorings for several hours and the flavor is developed. Now blending of cocoa liquor is done. After the mixing process, the blend is further refined to bring the particle size of added milk and sugar. After blending process, the liquid chocolate will be stored or delivered to the moulding factory in tank and poured into mold for sale. Finally, wrapping and packing machine will pack the chocolate and ready to transport. This flowchart helps you understanding the process that I had explained. If you get something from my video, then like it and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.